So this is Mike Steckline with the Institute for Enterprise Excellence, sharing some information that I found interesting at the most recent Deming Institute Conference that was held at Michigan State University this past weekend. The title of the program was titled, "I Make No Apologies for Learning," one of the quotes attributed to Dr. Deming. And one of the presentations I learned a lot from was a presentation by Tim Higgins, who works with an organization that supports NASA. And Tim shared some interesting information. They call it Deming 101 at the conference. But one of the things he shared was a way to look at Dr. Deming's system of profound knowledge, the four components, and think of it in terms of a three-dimensional representation, which I think is very useful. Many representations show it in two dimensions, and Tim has one of those that he shared. It's an equilateral triangle that shows the four components, again, two-dimensionally. And if you look at this in two dimensions, you can see the four parts, but you can't necessarily see the interactions. And so if you fold it along these lines you see here, you can form a three-dimensional model, which I found to be very useful to think about the interactions of the four bodies of knowledge. And I think it's the space that's inside this model that Dr. Deming was talking about, not just what's on the surface, for instance, understanding theory of knowledge, how we learn, how we build knowledge, but how that interacts with, say, psychology or appreciation for a system or understanding variation. And I think that this is very helpful to see this in three dimensions. And I just wanted to share this as an example of something that I think would be useful for others to learn about.